Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Minka Aire fan remote not working. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, start by turning off all switches that control the fan in your house. This means any wall switches or remote controls you use to operate the fan should be turned off. Next, go to your circuit breaker box. This is usually located in the basement or in a basement, garage, or utility room. Find the breaker that controls the ceiling fan and turn it off. This can ops the power to the fan completely, which is necessary for the reset process. After getting the power, you need to ensure the unique code on your remote is set correctly for the fan. This code should match the code programmed into the fan itself. Now, if you're not sure how to check or set the code, refer to your fan's manual for instructions. Now return to the circuit breaker box, switch the breaker for the fan back on. This restores power to the fan and prepares it to be reset. Now once the power is back on, go to the light switch that controls the fan if it has one and turn it back on. The steps helps to ensure that the fan is receiving power and is ready for the next step. Now with the power back on, take your remote and press the hold and stop button for about 3 seconds. This action resets the remote. If the remote doesn't start working right away, you can try pressing and holding the stop button again for another 3 seconds to ensure a thorough reset. Now finally, set your remote to see if it's working. Try using it to control the fan and check if it responds as expected. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.